Amidst a sea of red from subprime losses, amidst a sea of rising unemployment, amidst a sea of red faces in Congress screaming about the Bear Stearns bailout, when are we going to get back in black? I got to tell you a couple of things that I've done recently that are pretty funny to some extent. Back in November, I went and talked to the U.S. Treasury, and I sat down with them and I said, guys, I just want to make this really clear. And I'd never done this before. I'd been always kind of in awe of them. And I said, please don't do anything about this weak dollar. Please. I want to be really clear about this. Don't do anything. Let it go. Because it's the one thing that's helping our economy right now. This is my political theorem that holds true, I believe, very strongly. So this is the Busch political theorem, right? And here it is, in a nutshell. He who has the cash wins the bash. Basically, here's another Busch with a C theorem, political theorem. If Congress can raise your taxes without actually doing anything, it's pretty likely that they're going to do that. So right now, I think we've gotten past the abyss. We've actually stared into the abyss and we've seen ourselves. Some people probably saw Ben Bernanke, but that might have been disturbing. But the fact is that they were there. They came through with the plan to stem this from going from just a normal credit crisis to a systemic crisis. I can't think of a better guy to be at the head of the Fed right now. Ben Bernanke wrote his dissertation on the Great Depression. So he's familiar with the Herculean effort that you're going to need to get us where we need to be and to stem this crisis from spreading further. So I have a belief in him.
After anchoring the Politics and Money Show for First Business for 3 years, Andy has interviewed numerous political and industry leaders. He brings those skills to his onstage interviews and panel moderations for conferences. From the chairman of Black Entertainment Television to Chicago Union presidents to the chairman of the Yale Endowment Fund, Andy has interviewed a broad array of leaders, and his sessions always have the highest attendance. He brings energy and a sense of humor that is second to none.